If you are someone who is thinking or have received an offer to study in the UK and are coming in this September October intake or in the future and is looking for affordable places to live in the UK without spending too much on rent, then this video is for you because I'm going to share with you a list of 5 most affordable cities to live in the UK with average rent of that place and nearest big city from that place. So make sure to stay till the end of the video to find out the most affordable place to live. But before we start, let me give you a disclaimer that cities featured in this video are located up in north of United Kingdom, hence it is far away from London because as you know that London is the most expensive city to live in the UK. So places near London are expensive to live too. However, if your university is in London or nearby London, then don't forget to watch my upcoming video next week, which is going to be about affordable places to live if your university is in London. By the way, 70% of you lovely viewers are not my active subscriber, so if you are someone who is watching this video, then make sure to hit that subscribe button because I come up with all such amazing video every week. So make sure to show me your love by hitting that subscribe button and liking this video because it will keep me motivated to create more such amazing content for you guys. Alright, enough of chit chat. Let's get started. Number 5 on the list is Preston, a city situated on the north bank of River Ribble in Lancashire, England. Preston is also home to University of Central Lancashire with a population of around 334,000 people located in northwest of England. Nearest big cities to Preston is Leeds, which is 1.4 hours by train. Second is Liverpool, which is 1 hour train ride. And last is Manchester, which is just 40 minutes away by train. Fun fact about Preston is it's home to the UK's first ever KFC. So if you are someone who loves KFC, then Preston should be your place. Anyways, jokes apart, the average rent for students in Preston is between 500 to 650 pounds per month. Just to let you know, this is an average which takes into consideration the lowest till the highest rent, so you can always go below average. I personally know my friends who are living in 350 pounds per month in Preston, so it's all about research. So if you're doing a proper research, then you can definitely find a place to live in Preston below 500. Next on the list is Newcastle, another city which is located on a bank of a river. Newcastle is home to two good universities. First one is Newcastle University and second one is Northumbria University. Population of Newcastle is 823,000, located on northeast of England. Fun fact about Newcastle is that Rowan Atkinson aka Mr. Bean is from Newcastle. So if you're a big fan of Mr. Bean, then you should definitely visit Newcastle. Average rent for students to live in Newcastle is from 450 to 600 pounds per month. Third on the list is Aberdeen, which is third most populous city in Scotland. So if you're someone whose university is in Scotland and who is planning to live in Scotland, then you should definitely check out for places to rent in Aberdeen. Aberdeen is home to University of Aberdeen, which is really good university with a population of 213,000 people located on northeast of Scotland. Nearest city to Aberdeen is Dundee, which is 1.2 hours train ride. Fun fact about Aberdeen is that it's known as the oil capital of Europe. So if you're someone who is in energy sector, then you should definitely look for places to live in Aberdeen because that will also help you in look for employment opportunities. Average rent for students in Aberdeen is from 400 to 550 pounds per month. Next on the list is Bradford, a city known for industrial revolution boom that gave the world textile. Bradford is home to University of Bradford, another good university, with a population of 536,000 people located on north of England. Nearest big city to Bradford is Manchester, which is 1 hour train ride, and next one is Leeds, which is just 18 minutes away from Bradford. So if you are studying in University of Leeds, then Bradford should be your place to live. A fun fact about Bradford is it's England's highest city from sea level. Average rent for students in Bradford is from 350 pounds till 500 pounds per month. If you're still watching this video, then I would definitely recommend you to subscribe to my channel because I come up with all such amazing content which will help you when you are in the UK. The wait is finally over. The last and the most affordable place to live in the UK is Hull. Known for its white telephone boxes, Hull is home to University of Hull with a population of 261,000 plus people located on north of England. Nearest big cities to Hull is Manchester, which is 2.2 hours train ride. Next one is York, which is just 1 hour train ride, and also Leeds, which is just 1 hour train ride. So if your university is in either of these three cities, then I would definitely recommend you to check out Hull if the rent prices are too low. Fun fact about Hull is, and this is actually a funny one, that people from Hull are referred to as Hullensians. I mean, I can't even pronounce it right. Anyways, Average rent for students in Hull is around 300 to 450 pounds per month. That's right, Hull is very cheap. So if you carefully do your research, then you can find a place to live in Hull in just around 300 pounds. If you're someone who is not from the UK, so you might find it too expensive, but trust me, living in the UK in just 300 pounds is really good deal. So you should definitely take it if you are finding something in 300 pounds. And that's it from this video. I hope that you found this video useful and learned something new. If you did, then don't forget to share this video with your friends who are coming to the UK to study. Make sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and show me some love and your support. And let me know in the comments below if you are going to study in any of these amazing and affordable cities, or if your university is nearby. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.